All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. Yeah, your eyes are not deceiving you. This is a brand new in the box, sealed BlackBerry 7230. Fresh seal there. I was able to start getting some of the devices I wanted to collect again. So I used to do Throwback Thursdays a lot, and this is one that I was just waiting to bring to you guys. And today we're gonna take a look at it and see what we can get excited about. Now, this was released in 2003. So I've had nearly every BlackBerry. I've had the first BlackBerry, the one that was a pager per se. And so this right here is gonna be a challenge for me because this one doesn't have very many features, but it's not about that. It's just about the getting this device in hand and kind of messing with it and just giving you a good throwback. So I wanted to do a throwback, and I guess I am gonna open this because I didn't pay much for this device at all. You can find them online now for well under 40 bucks, 20 bucks if you can. And this is actually brand new. So this is, if you don't remember, this is what the box looks like when it comes to you if you had a BlackBerry. And there were a lot of carrier versions too. So that's why some of you guys probably never seen this version, but this is the unlocked version. So this device, as I crack the seal, wow, that feels weird. On a BlackBerry 7230 in 2024. Yeah, so this has a 2.6-inch display, which was huge back in the day. And look at this, it's gonna have the disc in here more than likely. Oh, yeah, there's the disc. Oh man, this is so crazy. So this one is a singular model. It's unlocked though. And here's the BlackBerry CD and all the pamphlets, all brand new. I just can't believe it. Here is the data cable right here. Wow, sealed up. Here is this is the data, this is the charging. Here's the battery. I mean, this is brand new. Look at there. Remember the watermarks? If you're old enough, you remember these watermarks here on there. That's so crazy. This has 1 megabyte of RAM, folks. This device has 1 megabyte of RAM. And so here's the original belt clip. Wow, this is impressive. That is crazy. And without further ado, here is a brand new BlackBerry 7230. That is crazy. So I'm gonna move this box aside here. And the power brick is actually in this other part of the box here. This is gonna be the travel charger here. You can see here, you got the little adapters, and then here's the charger here, power brick. So I'm just gonna plug it in one of my current setups here. We'll pull this aside. This is the charging cable. All right. This is so crazy to behold here in 2024. I'm actually in shock. I'm in awe. This is incredible, man. I never thought, and this was considered big back in the day. Yeah, 2.6-inch display, 16 megabytes of internal storage, 1 megabyte of RAM, but BlackBerry OS didn't need much to run, folks. You've got vibrate, you've got ringtones. Man, it's just a 240 hours on the battery. That is not a lot. And so let me see here. For this though, it ran for quite some time. I don't know if I can see the milliamps on here. Boy, I love seeing that research in motion. Wow. I gotta see what the milliamps were on here, but when you pop this open, there's a little groove here that you kind of push down on it. Man, this one definitely has never been opened before, and boom, there you go. So you have a full size SIM card, man. Oh my God, I gotta get an adapter. I'm gonna have to get an adapter to go ahead and, cause I'm gonna use this. Wow. This is impressive. Never did I think I would ever see myself getting a BlackBerry passport, or excuse me, a BlackBerry 7230 again in my lifetime. I really didn't. Got the phone button up there for muting calls up there, I think it is. Wow. This is impressive, man. Impressive. I think the power button is down here. If I remember properly, I think the power button is down. This thing is definitely probably dead though. So let me get the charging cable, which is here. And I'll plug it up right here so I can stay on film with you guys. And I'm gonna try my best to get a little bit of use out of this thing. I know I won't have like picture mail and all that stuff. I don't believe this one had that. I'm not sure. I have to double check. But this is the original cable, man. This is so crazy. This is wild. It's wild to be able to get one of these current day. So let's see here. Juice is on this side. You got a headphone jack. There's a little light right there. We all remember that. Wow, folks. This is a Throwback Thursday. I've done Throwback Thursdays before, but I don't know that I've ever done one like on something like this. This is like brand new, right out of the box. See if I can remember how to power it. Oh, it's this button over here. Yeah. It's just that it's so dead, probably. That's what it is. Yeah. So Throwback Thursday Part 1. This thing is sweet, man. I'm impressed. I really like this, man. And I am going to try to put my SIM card in here and use this bad boy. I don't know if I'll probably have to get another SIM card for AT&T or something like that, or Cricket or something to use, because this is the unlocked version, but I have Visible Wireless as my primary. I also have, well, I have Google Fi as well, so we'll see how that works out. But I'll at least want to get into this and get it powered up. This is such a beautiful piece of hardware. Still to this day, man. I enjoy it. I like this hardware already better than a ton of devices that I currently use because it's nice and simple. Keyboards is where it's at, man. I really used to like texting on these, man, and emailing. Impressive. So I'll let this charge up. I'll probably just let it go overnight, but I did want to show you that I did buy this brand new in the box, unlocked. And I'm going to let it charge up, and we're going to kick off some Throwback Thursdays. See if I can get you some love on this thing, man. This is really, really sweet. It'll power on once it gets enough juice to it automatically. But this hardware is a nice, like, frosted material. Like, this device was way ahead of its time. You got your phone icon button up there, remember? You got your headphone jack, your charger, and this one right here is the scroll wheel. Some of you guys young enough, you know, you don't have any idea what this is, but this device revolutionized a lot of things, like all of your iMessage and all that stuff. It started right here with this device. It started with this one. And this little magnetic thing here, when you put it in, it would turn off the display when you put it in your holster. Like, this device was so popular as a shorty. I mean, in 2003, I wasn't young or anything, but it was, if you had a BlackBerry, you were considered to be, hey, you got it going on. So, man, I am excited to have cracked the seal on this brand new, man. This is so wild. And I'm excited to share with you guys, man. I'm going to let this charge up, though. BlackBerry fans, real BlackBerry fans, man, do I have something special for you guys, man. I'm trying to work something out because finding a lot of these devices brand new, it can be kind of tough. And finding them at a good price, too, because some people are jacking them way up in price. But I'm going to let this charge up, and I just want to show you the Throwback Thursday unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to show this as a Throwback Thursday. It's just a throwback. Forget Thursday. It's just a throwback. This is a hot item back in the day when I was a shorty. So I definitely had mine. I had almost every BlackBerry with the full keyboard. The Curve is one that's very popular to a lot of people, but that didn't come out until later on. So this was before the Curve. So I'm gonna let this charge up, man. I wanted to show you guys that BlackBerry's back in the house. Shout out to my man, BlackBerry Hank. I'm gonna tag him on Twitter. He doesn't go by BlackBerry Hank anymore. It's Mr. Lifestyle or something like that. Still following him though, but like all Blackberries, this one was discontinued, and it's a sad day when this got all discontinued, man. When all the Blackberries got discontinued, I was a little upset. But we are back in the house with a Blackberry, and if I can get this thing going and I can just have text messages, I'm gonna use it, folks. It's good to get away from screen time. I have a lot of screen off time in my personal life. I don't sit at the toilet too much with my phone, or like people do, have it at the dinner table. Definitely don't want to have your phone at the dinner table. In just restaurants, we look in cars, people are just on their phones all day. A device like this, where it all started, I know we got to get better and more stronger, but I wouldn't mind if BlackBerry came out and decided to just reopen BlackBerry OS, open those servers back up, and sell off all of the old Blackberries that they have and just keep it running for us who really like BBM and things like that. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Look at this thing. This is crazy. And to show you that I'm in 2024, because you guys probably thinking, is this really 2024? There's the date, Monday, April 1st. This is not an April Fool's video, but this is my S24 Ultra, or S24 Plus. I'm recording with the S24 Ultra. Yeah. So look at how far cell phones have changed. A 2.6-inch display next to a 6.7-inch display. Who would have thought it would have gotten like this, man? Well, BlackBerry, man, I'm rolling with you tight. I know some of you guys probably think I'm crazy, but if they do it again, folks, if BBOS opens up again, I hate to say it, but I'm done with everything else probably. If I can get BBOS and have all the functionality that I need, like picture mail, the apps I need, the basic apps, I'm going full throttle with BBM and BBOS. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. A throwback. This is not an April Fool's joke. I'm so serious. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.